Cameraman focus. Full HD.
How is the hairstyle, bro?
Are hairstyle is very grateful. Hi guys, today we are going for bro. Which event, bro? That is
Industrial visit.
we are going for today industrial visit. That's why here so much of rush. You think that how much guts you have to talk with in front of those people, but if today I will care about them, means in future my parents will not care about me. That's why I have be confident about myself. Thank you. Huh?
Whatever you say, it's Cristiano Ronaldo.
Cristiano Ronaldo is not important here. Ourself, myself, and self-confidence is important here. Next, what will happen? We will see in the next video, bro. Yes, finally, we reached the open source India event. Let's we will discuss what will happen inside. And if they allow means I will take that video inside only. But if they not allowed means I will share my experience. Wait until what they will do. The photo session went here. So guys, finally we went inside of the company. So see how the people can see the tea also they are providing for us. I asked the permission they given for to make videos to upload it. So now I will introduce my teammates who are in there in mini project. Now we will get for photo session. Wait. Now finally we completed our photo session.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ದೇವ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇವನು ಉದಯ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಬಿಂಗಿ ಈಸ್ ಅ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್.
Bro,
please subscribe and share.
How is the hairstyle, bro?
Are hairstyle is very grateful and we thinking here. We didn't know about anything about here, but we also try to what it is.
Try to understand what they are
okay.
making. First we will drink coffee here, and next for drinking tea.
No.
Cameraman focus. Full HD.
No, cameraman ಪ್ರಸಾದ್ ಜೊತೆ ಉದಯ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಬಿಂಗಿ.
What are the questions do you prepare for ask for them?
No, not questions. Just go and take information.
Which about their company information?
About not company. That is database. Like database, we will. No, man. That is only open for database.
Bro, don't let continue the fluency. Nothing will happen, bro.
ನೀನು ಒಂದು ರೋಡಿಂಗ್ ಹೋಯ್ವ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
I already took all overall video.
That's fine.
No, we have to take that how their company will get. They will provide us the information about their company.
You don't make our video. You make
Our no, that is not her, bro. Our video. Let's see what they will give information. We will ask some questions.
Our video. Make them.
Make their video.
I have 1 million subscribers.
I don't have 1 million subscribers. Now we are meeting the CEO, Sir Jagatveer Singh. Let them ask some questions. What they will tell, we will listen that.
ಮಾತಾಡೋಗಲೇ ಅವನು ಕೇಳೋ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಹೋಗಲೇ.
They would expect skills, not what you need to have. The number one thing is skill. Right? Now, with skill, people ask for experience. Right? Skill is something that everybody can produce. Experience is something that you can make for you. So, which year are you in?
Third
year? No, not like a client. So on GitHub, there are many open repositories. Right? Many open projects. For company, what matters is skills, experience. So you want to get a job, right? Then I'll talk about skill and experience. Degree courses, they are for you. Your money, you spend. Focus on skills. Good advice?
Coming to the conclusion part, when we went inside the event, we saw that how the companies were exhibiting their companies, and we met the company's CEO and asked some questions. They answered. So we asked some questions like actually what companies will expect from students, like their qualifications or skills, etc. Actually sir was answered like skills is needed and which course we have to take in this company, and they answered like don't think about any courses, go to the GitHub, and there are open sources of codes, get them, solve their company problems. Example, Facebook, if there are any problem issues in their company, we have to analyze and solve their that is the main skill, like sir will told, means sir has told. As visiting this event, I got some knowledge about how companies will exhibit and promote their companies. Some knowledge I got. Overall event is good. I gained some knowledge from that. Thank you for my faculty who got me here. Thank you, that's all.